So here I am today at a new place. Well, technically it's not a new place. I came here when I was about 8 years old with my dad, and I've just tried to find it again. But because I've been a bit poorly this week, I'm not on a mountain. No mountains today, unfortunately. Well, I'm saying unfortunately, it's not unfortunately really, because it means that we get to explore somewhere new. So are you going to come with me? I'm actually at a cricket club at the moment, so come on, we need to go, otherwise we'll not get done. Come on, lazy bones. Hello. Now I've moved, so I've walked around the cricket pitch now. Look, over yonder, and it's a very pretty start, isn't it? So, do you want to have a quick look at the house? Look at that. Isn't that a good place to have a house? It's very impressive, I know. Here we are, but it appears that even though I thought that I hadn't been around for like forever, I just recognised it because it's where I did my actual first marathon, was around here. So, are you ready? Shall we go and explore? Come on. I wonder what they're for. Very strange. Hello, Shadow. How are you doing down there? Oh, you're admiring the views. Yes, they are pretty good, aren't they? I am out of breath. Do you get out of breath, Shadow? What do you mean you don't? Because you've not got any lungs. Well, okay. What do you think about that? Oops. Oh, where are we? Look. I wonder which bit that's off something. Right, so we need to go down this path now. Look, the shadow's leading the way, but we're going to go down there, and then I'm going to see if I can get myself right down onto the edge of that stream, and then we'll follow it up and see where that takes us. So come on then, are you ready to come down this little bit? I should have brought my sticks for my feet. I'm going to have to put you down because I can't hold you and walk down here, I don't think. Look at this for steep. This is cool. Look, we've got all these rocks here, and then we've got all them. I mean, technically, if I had my wits about me, I could have probably got on the stream right down there, but that would be boring, wouldn't it? Right, So, if I'm correct, so I think all we need to do now is just head. Oh, look at that log. That's an interesting thing, isn't it? So I've just got to get across this little bit here now, I think, so I just have to be a bit careful getting myself over this bit. Whoops, what was that? Pesky thing nearly knocked my cap off. Oh, right. I think just come up here, up hitherto now. And so, look how clear that water is. Oh, hello again. I'm down here. Hello. Oh, a spider's web. That's brilliant. I can't believe that, that I found this little thing on just like a bit of an adventure day. So, which way shall we go? That way, or that way? Oh, that's wet. That's no good. Not that over there. I think we'll go up this way. Got to be careful here because it's quite slippy, to say the least. But I think this is a great find, isn't it? And I mean, look at this weather. Isn't it brilliant? Do you know, I've not left my house for like 3 days or so, 4 days, because I've been feeling very much under the weather lately. And I think sometimes, do you know, sometimes when I feel run down because of my dodgy blood and stuff, but it's really valid to stay at home and watch things if you want, and just watch box sets. Although I actually did yesterday I did a lot of tidying up and did some plant potting, but I really needed to get out today because I'm like, I go bonkers because I'm a bit of a wilderness girl, really. And oh my lord, do you know? And I nearly threw in my swimming stuff. And looking at this water, I am absolutely devastated that I didn't. I mean, it's not the Lake District, but this is fabulous. Again, when I was walking up here, there were like lots and lots of people, but they were all sticking to the path. And now that I'm down here, I just feel like I'm on my own again, which is kind of how I like it. So come on, let's keep going. This is such fun. Come on, let's keep going. Ooh, that's a bigger waterfall. Just need to get ourselves down here, I think. Now, I think what we'll do now is put my head down there. like being in the water. It's really, really lovely. I am so regretting that I didn't bring my stunning gear now. Because this bit here is really quite deep. I'm definitely going to come back to this place. This is so lovely. Oh, look at this water. You know what I mean? Oh my word. That is lovely. And yeah, you know what? There's a nice drink of water. Sit on my lovely sit pad. It's a present from my friend. And then I got myself a couple of pears and a pan au chocolat from Lidl. Oh no, it wasn't from Lidl this time. Sorry, scrub that. From the co-op. So here we are. I like so I can go in the coasty one, and when I go back down to the car park, I've already spoken to the lady in the cafe, and she's got like sausages, bacon, eggs, and all manner of things going on, and it's next to a cricket pitch, so it's cool to see. So do you know what? I mean, my camera angle is a bit skewed on this one, but I was trying to balance it, but I couldn't get it balanced right. I couldn't bother. You know, I've got the best view this time, not you lot, but I'm looking at the waterfall, and all you're doing is looking at me while I'm eating. Would you like me to turn you around so you can have a see as well as a good view? Okay. Ah. How's that for you? Is that a good view? It's not too shabby view, that is it for you on a Sunday morning? You know what time I woke up this morning? Well, I did not woke up, got up this morning. 4:30. So I think I'm just going to finish this off. And then I'm going, because my toes are nearly dry now, so what I'm going to put my socks back on and head off down. Oh, look, I found a £1 coin. Oh, look at that. That's fab. We're heading ourselves back down now, aren't we? Are you leading the way, Shadow? Which way is it now, Shadow? Are you sure? Well, come on then. I'll follow you. Go on, you go. Do you know, I think that coming back down is as much fun as going up. I'm so glad that I've got like my waterproof boots on though. Although, having said that, it's like only 2 minutes ago that I was studying this water up to my thighs. So, look at that view. Isn't it fab? I wonder, should we try and cross over there? Let's just recce up this bit first. Yeah. And then I think we should probably try and see. Oh, that looks quite a big waterfall though. I'm not sure. I wonder if we could, whether that means me dropping down there. Oh, hang on, let's see if I go this way. Right, I can hop up that bit there, I think, and then zip down there. It's absolutely stunning here, I love it. And like I'm so close to home. I think I'm looking forward to like a nice company, which should be kind of really good, I think. Don't you think? Yes. So come on, onward. So do you know, this has been brilliant. This is fabulous. I know I say it all the time, but I don't want to go home. But it is a little bit busy, so my liking, right? So come on, let's go. Oops. So what's your favourite part been? Did you like the walk up? Or did you like the waterfall? Did you like the paddle? I know, it was okay. I mean, it wasn't cold, was it? Really? Anyway, come on. I can do it. Look at this thing. Let's get down here and have a look at this. Oh my lord. What is it? Do you want to have a look? Right, let's explore. Come on. What the heck? Oh my word, there's hands coming through. It's getting a bit grassy down this little bit, isn't it? Can you hear the birds? Oh, look at that tree. Look, over yonder. There. Look at this random bit of brick and concrete. Very odd. Ooh, look at that plane up there. Can you see it? It's doing like acrobatics and things. Not sure if you can see it, but I can. So there you go. Oh look, we've got another bridge. Oh look at this. I think this is what they have in Scotland all the time. I think so. If any of my Scottish viewers want to let me know, is that like, is it called gorse? Right, do we think there's any ogres under this bridge? Oh, no ogres under the bridge there? Although, to be fair, I think that ogres have a bit of a bad rap, really, don't you think? Well, we've nearly finished now. Going to head ourselves back and we shall have a cup of tea, I think, and oh, there's a baby here. Look! Oh no, don't look. Hello. Yeah, we're going to have a maybe even a cake, perhaps. Oh, come on. What do you think? Do you want to have a peek over the edge? Let's have a look. Look! Isn't that good? Now look, we're back at the cricket pitch. Now, hopping down here, and we can then put our feet up with a nice cup of tea. Hello. So, we finished the walk, and you know what I've done? I've only got another cake and a cuppa. I did actually have a sausage on toast first. It's very idyllic here though, which is quite busy. I'm having a chat with like lots of nice people. which is really good. So, yes, so look at my, I'm going to have a little bit of my cake while you join me, if you wish. What do you think? That's good. Right, I think I'm going to say ta now until I get to wherever the next place is, which might be home, it might not. But we shall see. Okie dokie. So let's just cut it out now. So.